Oh, we made it. Well, some stuff fell. And all them daggone things are out. Son of a gun. Alright. Guys, how's it going? We up here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the house of RC Hook for a test day. Possibly could be a race day as well. But as you can see, we here right now. We had some rain this morning. I got here about 1 o'clock in the morning, or after I got off of work. And it kind of rained this morning around 6:30. I got up around 7. I heard the rain. But we're blowing the track off right now. We're going to see how everything goes. We're going to be testing the limited car and see how it does here. And see if it leaves any trail or whatever. And if not, then we'll possibly be doing limited here at the RC House of Hook spot. But we're gonna get some data. We're gonna be doing testing on the Ghost car and possibly the other car as well. We'll probably gear it down on the FDR to make it the same as the Ghost car, but more than likely it'll probably be Ghost that would be messing with today the most, because I still gotta get a hold of that and learn all that. But let's go ahead and get to testing. We are live, and you can go to the channel right now and watch the live feed, or continue watching this one, whatever you want to do. I guess.
Drive in there. Driver's ready? Tree's hot.
Ooh. Damn it. Too much up top. Too much. $197. $197. Try recalibrating your remote.
Racer ready? Tree's hot. $191 at 78.
You see that back? Wow!
Left lane 190, right lane 207. 190 at 85. Braces ready. Trees hot. 188 at 84. Trees hot. Oh, Robbie never left. Eric, 187 at 84. 187 at 84.
I think I'm stuck.
It's stuck. Stuck.
How the hell did it stuck? That's crazy. You didn't even put hardly anything on it.
No?
Driver ready? Trees hot.
Thank you.
Ah.
Braces ready? 185 in the left at 85. Right lane 181 at 80.
All right. What, 75?
No, 183, 75, 83.
83. You say 77? Damn it. I gotta raise that front end up a little bit. Hold on, you said a 177? Holy shit. And I ripped the tire. A 177. Then I split a tire.
Trees out. It's a little hot down there.
A little bit. I had to change my tires because I lost one. I lost one.
Driver ready? Trees hot. $189. $189. Did you let off or did it cut off?
I let off.
$189.
The gear came off.
Or it done that. I'm about to find out. Nope. I think I lost a tire. I didn't. I thought I lost a tire, but I didn't. So I thought I lost a tire.
Ready? Tree's hot.
Damn it.
Ready?
Yep.
Tree's hot.
168. Holy shit. What mile an hour? 168 at 88. Damn.
It's green, simple green. Yeah. And do a burnout first. I'm not doing none of that.
Ready? Tree's hot. 69 with a 4.
Is there a bump right there at the end?
Yeah, they paved a patch right there. You talking about at the end of the track?
Yeah, like right past the beams.
Oh, right there? Yeah, there's a pump right there. But at the end of the track, you're blowing your tires up. The very end. That's why the car's going like this. The very, like right before you hit the beams, the whole ass of the car's just shaking like this. You're blowing the tires up.
Shit. Hey, I backed it up.
That's what matters.
I backed it up.
No one can say you didn't run it.
Where is it blowing up?
You're blowing up right here.
Right at the crack? Ah.
I don't know if your wheelie bar's hitting and lifting the car there or what, but that's your car literally starts violently shaking right there. So I just bring the car right there. Just see what the wheelie bar looks like. I know it's not under load, but the car hits right there.
Yeah, it hits.
Pumps right there.
Yep.
But still, I mean, the closest person to you is me.